In this video, I'll show you how to insert a blank box in the Microsoft Word app on your Android phone. This is perfect if you want to create a simple box for forms, labels, or other content. First, open the Microsoft Word app and open the document where you want to add that black box. Next, tap the edit icon to enter editing mode. After that, tap the insert option from the toolbar and look for shapes. Select a rectangle shape, then tap and drag on the page to create your blank box. Once the box is inserted, you can resize or move it to the position you want. If you'd like the box to remain empty, leave the inside blank or adjust the fill and outline options if they're available in your version of the app. When you're finished, save your document and continue editing as needed. And that's it. That's how you can insert a blank box in Microsoft Word on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.